Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back over here at Vince's again today, and a video that we've been talking about wanting to do for a little bit. There's a big weight station. I think it's more for like semis and stuff, but we're going to take our Subies, Vince's Subie and my Subie, and take them down to this weigh station and see exactly like how much they weigh and see exactly like what the difference in weight is. I'm thinking around 200 pounds. Vince's is gonna be like 200 pounds lighter than mine, but I don't know. We're gonna go find out. I don't really know like how long this video is gonna be, because we are still wanting to go out and get some like cinematics and do like a full exhaust only video, like no talking, but just cinematics, drive-bys, point of views, stuff like that of my car with the Tomei, and I'm catless and everything too. Turbo back all the way back to a Tomei, and then Vince's, he's catless also, turbo back all the way back, but I can't remember exactly what his exhaust is. I know it's not a Tomei, but it's single exit also. So, but he's got that Subie rumble. But if this video isn't super long, I do want to kind of want to replace this if I have time to. If you see, my wrap is starting to peel off a little bit. So I've got a couple different options. I can do carbon fiber wrap or like a gloss black wrap. And this is just for like temporary. I know that like I really want to do like a carbon fiber like overlay over that part eventually, but I don't know. That's only if this video isn't super long and this takes 2 minutes and then we need something else to do, so the video isn't only 5 minutes long. So I guess so let's go weigh these things and then we'll get on to the whatever else we end up doing. So let's get it. Oh, hey Vince. What kind of exhaust is on this, do you know? I know it's turbo back to something. What is the exhaust?
Ner.
A what?
Ner.
Ner?
Yeah, Ner spec, N-U-R, Blitz.
Ner spec?
It's on this side. It says...
Oh, okay.
B-L...
Blitz Ner spec.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that.
I haven't either.
Huh. Well, whatever. Okay.
Doesn't sound bad.
Yeah. I was thinking we go ahead and just go knock out this part of the video right now. Let's just run down and weigh our cars, and then we'll do the other videos like right after, doing like the driving stuff. Cool with that?
Yeah.
Cool. Turbo noises with this thing, dude. The turbo spool is just so loud with this freaking Tomei. Just resonates it. Awesome. I love it. And the backfires. Hopefully they're open. I don't know if they are. Are they closed?
They never used to have a fucking gate. I'd always come here when they were closed because their monitor's right on the side of their building outside. So you just drive up on it and it shows you your weight. They've never used to have this fucking gate.
Damn.
Which makes no sense why they have this gate, because they have another gate over there to even get in the place. So I'm gonna Google real quick, like a truck stop that has a scale on it.
Now this was pretty far. A lot further than what I thought it was gonna be.
This is the only one I knew that was free.
Hey. Well, that sucks. That's a big waste of time. Unless you think that, oh, there is a lock on it. I was saying, unless we can just push it open, you know? Damn. But I guess we're gonna look for another one. If not, I guess we'll have to come back to this another day. Alrighty guys, I guess we found another scale. That one that we just went to was free until they put that gate up there. It used to not be a gate there. But I guess we found another one, but it's like 12 bucks a car to put on a scale, but whatever. I wanted this part of the video. I really want to see like how much they weigh. So I guess I'll pay 12 bucks for our cars. So we'll get her done though. It's important enough to me. For you guys. Let's get. We're gonna put them on the scale and see how much they weigh. Each? Yep.
What do you think it's gonna be?
Thinking his is probably gonna be around the 31 to 32. Mine 33 to 34. No way. I wasn't recording. I am now though.
I think it's
Recording right now.
yeah.
I like that. And he got the money to rebuild it. Grand scheme.
Right?
How did it get 700 horsepower?
That's crazy, man.
I would. I'd get out.
I need to get out and take a picture.
So you guys can get the same. Remember the boom? Right there.
Better hurry up and get out before she gets the weight.
She won't get it until we push
Oh.
it. We're gonna let her like burst a little bit.
Alrighty, now we gotta go inside and get our tickets and see how much they weigh.
Hey, what's your YouTube channel?
Right there. Ryan's Random Rides, and then Rex and Ryan for Instagram.
Okay.
Yep.
Ryan Random. All right, brother.
Yep.
Check it out.
Thank you.
Fuck, it's hot. I can't believe it. Oh my god.
Huh?
I can't believe you weren't recording.
I know. I'm sorry, dude. I thought I was. I honestly thought I was.
What's up, baby?
Yeah.
What YouTube channel?
Ryan's Random Rides. You check it out. It's all Subi stuff. Building cars. What was the number? If they take cards, I'll just pay for it.
This is the second one.
Welcome, professional drivers. As a courtesy to other drivers, please pull forward from the line.
So this one was mine?
Yep.
3260.
Both yours lighter than you thought.
Well, I was saying 33 to 34, so I was pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm thinking yours is going to be between 31 and 32. Am I there?
31 and 31.
Exactly 31?
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, I said 31 to 32. Wow.
160
So 160 pounds difference. Well, you are lighter than me.
160 pounds.
This is for this? I'll go ahead.
Right there.
Okay.
I'm stealing a drink. Yeah,
So-
160 pounds.
Yeah, so like what I was saying, 200 pound difference. That was pretty close.
It's close.
Pretty close. Yeah.
Right there.
Thanks, guy. Did you see
Yeah,
where
I got it.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
I'm gonna do some shit like that to my little style on there.
Yeah. Figured I would just bring this stuff out here if you want to help hold this.
I thought you were filming.
I was filming in there, but just in case my angles were all kinds of jacked up, figure I'd do it back out here and stuff too. Thanks. Okay, if you guys didn't see it, or I'll end up just putting this. So this was Vince's car, 3100 even too.
Dang, look at the weight distribution now. The front's 1800 and the back's 1200.
Yep. 3100 for Vince's car, and then $32.60 for my car. Yeah, $19.60 for the front, $1,300 for the back. Yeah, 160 pound difference. I guess you can keep that one.
Sure.
Hell yeah.
Well, good. Now we can at least say that's out.
Right? 160 pound difference. Now, what we need to do one day is,
Race without pasture.
we know, see how much we can gut our car and then weigh them again. How much can we actually take out?
I think that'd be a fun.
Like 100 pounds or something probably?
Dude, honestly,
Maybe 150?
Probably get 150 out of it.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Down to 29.50.
Yeah.
Light.
Yep. Alrighty guys, if the video is ending here, if we don't end up going to and doing that little back part on my car, I guess hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Till next time guys, keep it random. But if we do that, we'll go ahead and switch that now, and then I'll end it then. So, but yeah, we're gonna go do some exhaust videos, so stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be pretty dope. 2 of them, one on my car and then one on Vince's.